So here is Phantom iOS app crypto wallet. So this is like a Web3 wallet. Let's try to install it. I remember like 2 years ago or so, I was trying Phantom website to create a wallet there, but now it's available as a mobile app. All your assets in one place, do more with your NFTs, understand what you're signing, more crypto across chains with ease, monitor all your activity. Friendly crypto wallet for tokens, NFTs, and DeFi. Phantom makes it easy, safe, and fun for everyone to explore all that Web3 has to offer. Do more with your crypto, instant transaction with super low fees, a beautiful home for your NFTs and tokens. Use your favorite sites in our browser. We keep you safe. You have full control. Your privacy 100% respected. Most advanced crypto wallets, and then you can just open it up. And then here you can create a new wallet, or you can import an existing wallet if you already have. So here you can just create a new wallet. You can try to use Face ID. And then you will see the secret recovery phrase. You need to save it, and then basically you're done. So then here you have your wallet, you have assets. You can add additional wallets, of course. Then you can see your addresses for Solana, Ethereum, Polygon. You can manage your accounts, active networks, address booked, developer settings, testnet mode. So yeah, that's basically the idea of what you can try it out here. You can see account addresses, and that's how it works. So super easy like app to get started. You can see your collectibles, your NFTs here right in the app. You can swap tokens. You can see your recent activity, and then there is like a browser where you can browse like sites, tokens, some you can see some quests. So yeah, then you can just see some nice quests, and then you can also learn about this. I don't know what if you learn, will you get some additional tokens? Probably not at the moment. This is not like a Coinbase where you get some free crypto for that. But yeah, there you have it. Just try it out.